Look, we've all been there. It's 11 p.m., you've had a long, exhausting day at work. You're scrolling through your feed, and suddenly, there it is. It is just so tempting. A pair of sneakers you don't need, a tech gadget that promises to revolutionize your desk setup, a limited-time offer on a subscription box. It is all very simple. You click Buy Now, and for exactly 4 seconds, you feel amazing. That little rush? That's dopamine. It's the brain's way of saying, good job, you found it. But then the morning comes. The buyer's high evaporates, leaving behind a weird, hollow feeling. You promise yourself you will stop. Next month will be different. But then Tuesday happens. You have a bad meeting with your boss, and you are back on that app chasing that high again. You are not bad with money. Just trust me. You are just caught in a biological loop designed by companies to keep you broke. My name is John, and I spend too much time thinking about financial psychology. If your money disappears into a black hole of small purchases and you want more savings, hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up right now. Today, I will show you exactly how I broke that cycle and saved $3,000 in just 90 days. It did not involve the lottery or living on ramen noodles. Not at all. It involved a dopamine audit and a few simple math examples that most people ignore. Most people think dopamine is about pleasure. They think we like all things, but that is a massive misunderstanding of how your brain works. Dopamine is about anticipation. It spikes highest when you're just about to buy something online. The package arriving in the mail feels less exciting than clicking order. Online retailers know this. Every one-click buy button is a direct attack on your mind. When you are stressed or tired, your logic center goes offline. Your reward center takes the wheel. You're buying a temporary escape from your daily life stress. John, $3,000 in 90 days? That is $1,000 a month. I do not have that much lying around. I get it. It sounds like a huge number. But just stay with me. Look closely. When we break $3,000 down into daily math, the monster becomes smaller. It is exactly $33.33 per day. That is the price of a lunch and a couple of fancy coffees. Most of us are losing our wealth to the invisible leak. The average person spends roughly $450 a month on impulse purchases. That is over $5,000 every single year. I looked at every single cent that left my account for 30 days. I found subscriptions I did not use and convenience food. It totaled nearly $1,000 every month. I was literally bleeding money, and I did not even notice it. No single purchase was more than $40. It was death by 1,000 paper cuts. I simply had to stop this. You work hard and you deserve to treat yourself. But you are being manipulated. Had a bad day? Buy a shirt. Bored? Browse the web. We are conditioned to spend now. Every time you treat yourself with money you have not budgeted, you punish your future self. You're trading your future freedom for a temporary chemical spike. Is that actually a treat? Or is it a trap? So how do we fix it? We must introduce friction. Modern technology has removed all friction from your daily spending. To save $3,000, I had to move spending back to the logic part of my brain. I used the 72-hour rule. I had to wait 72 hours before hitting buy. It really works. After 3 days, that must-have feeling was usually gone. The dopamine had subsided. I realized I did not want the item. I just wanted the feeling of buying it. By just waiting, I saved nearly $600 in my first month alone. I did not work more hours. I did not get a raise. I just stopped letting my impulses drive the car. But you cannot just stop spending. Your brain still wants that dopamine. You have to replace the source. I started gamifying the inflow of money. It was very fun. I created a visual progress bar on my wall. Every time I reached another $33 saved that day, I colored in a tiny square. It felt amazing to see the real progress. Suddenly, seeing that bar fill up gave me a hit. I started looking for ways to win the day. Packing a lunch? Boom. Canceling an old membership? Boom. I won today. I was hacking my own biology to build wealth. If you save an extra $1,000 a month and invest it, in 20 years, that money turns into over $700,000. It is true. Think about that pair of shoes again. Is it worth $700,000 of future freedom? Impulse spending is the difference between working until 70 or retiring in your 40s. First, do the nuclear audit. Highlight every want in red. See the monster. Second, delete the shopping apps. If you do not see temptation, you do not fight it. Third, the 72-hour rule. Fourth, the $33 daily target. Make it a game. And fifth, visualize the gain. Get a physical tracker and watch your wealth grow every day. The first 30 days are the hardest. Your brain will throw a tantrum, but once you hit that $3,000 mark, something shifts. You realize that you have the control. Stuff never actually made you happy, but the security of that money makes you feel powerful. Financial freedom is about how much you keep. Start your audit now. Your future is worth more than a temporary hit of neurochemicals. Upgrade your mind one video at a time. I'm John. Thanks for watching. Go build your capital.